Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Emacs on Windows. So there are three methods by which you can uninstall Emacs. You can follow any one of them to uninstall Emacs on Windows. So first let us see how to uninstall Emacs using the Emacs Uninstaller. For this, go to the location where Emacs was installed. So in this system, it was installed inside program files Emacs, and here you can see uninstall.exe, which is present. So this is the uninstaller by which we can uninstall Emacs. So double click on it, give yes if you get a security prompt, and click on uninstall. So the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete. Click on close. And here you can see that Emacs folder is present. Now go to program files and now again search for Emacs. You will see that the folder is also deleted. So this is how we can uninstall Emacs using the Emacs Uninstaller. So now let us see how to uninstall Emacs via the Windows settings. To uninstall Emacs via Windows settings, go to Windows settings by pressing Windows I. This will open up the settings. Here click on apps, installed apps. And here search for the application Emacs. So Emacs appears here. Click on the three dots. Click on uninstall, uninstall, and click on uninstall. So the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete. Click on close. Okay, so these are the steps you need to follow to uninstall Emacs on Windows via the Windows settings. So now let us see how to uninstall Emacs on Windows via the control panel. To uninstall via control panel, press Windows R and type appwiz.cpl, press enter. This will open the programs and features of control panel. So click on the Emacs application and click on uninstall. Give yes if you get a security prompt and click on uninstall. Wait for the uninstallation to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete. Click on close. So these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall Emacs via the control panel. Here I have showed you three ways to uninstall Emacs on Windows via the uninstaller, Windows settings, or via the control panel. You can follow any one of the three methods to uninstall Emacs on Windows. So now once we are done with the uninstallation, we need to remove the Emacs path from the system variables. So for this, press Windows R and type sysdm.cpl and press enter. This will open the system properties. Click on Advanced tab. Click on Environmental Variables. Here under System Variables, click on Path and click on Edit. Now here you can see the Emacs path. So click on it and click on the delete option. So now you can see that Emacs path is deleted. Now click on OK. Click OK again and click OK here. Okay, so now the Emacs path is removed from the system variables. So these are the steps you need to follow to manually remove it from the system variables. We are doing this manual removal of the path system variable for Emacs because this is not automatically removed when we uninstall it using any of the three methods. So we need to manually remove it. So next we need to do the cleanup. For this, press Windows R and type app data within percentage and press enter. Here you must see the folder .emacs.d. So we need to delete this folder. Select the folder and press delete key to delete it. So now the folder is deleted. So this is the cleanup that we need to do post the uninstallation. Once we are done with the uninstallation, removal of the path variable for Emacs and the cleanup, we need to do the verification. We can do this via command prompt. For this, press Windows R and type cmd, press enter. Now type Emacs version, press enter. So now you can see that Emacs is not recognized. So this confirms that Emacs is uninstalled successfully. Okay, so these are the steps you need to follow to uninstall Emacs. Remove the Emacs path from the system variables, which we have done it manually. Then do the cleanup and then do the verification. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.